Well, like, oh my goodness, this is so fine. Let's trim. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne, and on this channel I post all things hair content, hair tutorials, hair inspirations, so that the girlies don't say they don't know what hairstyle to make next. So for today we're going to be trying out a new, not really new, trendy hairstyle. I think it's called the Afro Boho Braids, and I'm going to be using Darling Passion Twist to make this happen, because I'm actually not very confident in it, because I'm using Passion Twist, which is like a synthetic hair extension, and the hair looks finer when it's human hair. But let's try it out, because we're all about looking for like the more affordable option for the hairstyles that we all love. So stick with me till the end, and we're going to talk about what it took to achieve this hairstyle. Welcome back, guys. I have done my makeup, my hair is done. We're just going to do a little bit of fixes to my hair to get it ready. It's just like trim and all of that. So for starters, let's all bear in mind that this is purely synthetic. This is not human hair or human hair blend. I'm sure those that like used human hair for this would definitely be having a blast. So I think a good extension that you can use for this is like the Fumi coils, I think that's what I call it, or any coily, like really curly extension that you have. Well, like oh my goodness, this is so fine. Let's trim. Wow, look at this. So here, chop. this is the final look of this hairstyle. It's called the Afro Boho Braids, and it is so lovely. I've made it with just one pack of Darling Passion Twist, and it is synthetic, 100% synthetic. I don't know how long it's going to last. We're going to test it and see how it carries. But thank you so much for watching my video up until this point. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you're going to come back for more. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.